Hello and welcome back to EGMG's new Useful Services mini-series, Episode 4. This is where we provide useful tips, information about the manufacturing and food and beverage industry, as well as other sanitary-related industries. Now, if you've missed any of our first 3 episodes, just go back to the Useful Services playlist on our YouTube channel, and there you can learn about the specific approach to dealing with some of the worldwide shipping, delays, long lead times, and how to order the correct equipment you need for your manufacturing plant. Now, today, in our 4th episode, this is where you're going to learn how to reduce your costs on sanitary lube. So saving money has never been so easy. And in order to talk about that, we need to talk about Haynes Manufacturing Company. The Haynes Manufacturing Company has been a significant supplier to the food processing, food service, and pharmaceutical industries for more than 85 years. Haynes has been providing food processors with customized solutions to their lubrication needs. Working within the food processing and food service industries requires efficient, precise equipment that follows exact standards. For the proper maintenance of these types of equipment, food-grade lubrication is needed to keep everything operating correctly and to adhere to those health and safety regulations. At Haynes, they supply a diverse line of food-grade lubricants to ensure that their clients, our customers around the world, get the products ideal for their operations and their equipment needs. Well, when talking about reducing lubricant costs, we need to ask some questions. First one, do you want to reduce the cost of your lubricant tubes? Are you finding that you're constantly buying lubricants every other month, or you seem to be running out of them quickly? Well, here's what you can do. By ordering tubes in case quantities and or bulk packaging boxes, such as cartons, you may be able to save up to 15%. Yes, you heard me, 15% by ordering this way compared to single tube or every month purchasing. Now, similar savings can be seen when purchasing spray cans and cartridges. With the current shipping delays and long lead times, it just might be in your best interest to purchase a case, a carton of 12, or even a pail or a drum like you see here on the screen. That way, you won't need to worry about running out or risking the integrity of your manufacturing equipment when you do run out, and even maybe causing downtime in your manufacturing plant. So let's go over some of the lubes that might fit best in your manufacturing plant, since you know how to save up to 15% by ordering those larger quantities or just even a box instead of a tube here, a cartridge here, or a spray can there. Purchase that larger box to ensure that you have what you need when you need it. All right. Now, Haynes Lubricants offers many different varieties or types of lubricants. So we have some pictured here. First, we're going to talk about the Lubrifilm. Lubrifilm is going to be able to apply a protective coating to all of your metal parts. This film that you're seeing over here will retain its effectiveness. It will minimize the corrosion of metal parts. It's not going to separate or bleed, and it does not dry or gum up your machines. So that's the first picture. The second picture, the orange and blue label, you see is the Lubrifilm Plus. Now, the Lubrifilm Plus, you're going to have longer lubrication intervals, which is going to eliminate any downtime to re-lubricate your equipment. What's nice is that it wears evenly on all moving parts, which is going to prevent any metal-to-metal contact and equipment damage. Now, what we see in the middle, that vertical tube, is going to be the new Haynes Vegetal Film. This is a vegetable-based lubricant. It is suited to lubricate equipment parts that come in direct contact with food to prevent that food from adhering during the process. It cleans off of the equipment very easily. And the vegetal film is biodegradable and has excellent lubricity and is able to work and function at a drop point of 125 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's pretty impressive. Lastly, we have the popular Haynes oil, the red label you see there. It is great for those light duty jobs and for all sanitary machine parts. You can use it on drawer slides, doors, hinges, wheels, anywhere light duty oil is needed, and around food processing area as well. Now, the Haynes oil contains no animal or vegetable fats. It is absolutely neutral. Now, these are just a few products that Haynes has to offer. If you want to learn more about their products, then you can find the linked video down in this description where EGMG has highlighted Haynes Lubricants for our product of the month. There we go into the detail of all of their products and what you might use them for, especially all those pros about the products. So be sure to check out that into the description box below if you want to learn more about those products. Now, Haynes lubricants are 1, odorless, they're 2, tasteless, 3, colorless, 4, non-toxic, and are absolutely neutral. They will not turn rancid. They will not contaminate or taint when they come in contact with food. Haynes lubricants are registered by the H1 or the 3H. They are kosher certified, halal certified, and made from ingredients that are FDA accepted. Their quality and customer satisfaction is unmatched. Their lubricants keep your equipment running at peak performance. So, do you have any questions about Haynes lubrications? Do you use Haynes lubricants in your manufacturing plant? Which ones are best for you? Let us know in the comments below, or reach out to us here. You see our contact, our email, our phone, our website. Are you interested in some Haynes lubricants for your equipment? Are you interested in maybe trying a sample that you could test out to see which ones might run best on your equipment? For any of those questions, please reach out to us today. And we are so thankful that you could join us here in our mini series. If you've missed any of them, go back to the programming series playlist and you could watch all of them there. We're so thankful you've joined us in these videos and we can't wait for our next mini series. Thank you. Goodbye.